my name is Kanan Arvan and I am from St. Vincent Collodi School. I am studying in class 3. My topic is environment. Today I am going to tell you that we should not at all use plastic bags because they are very harmful to our environment and they are not at all eco-friendly. So the question arises, why we should not use plastic bags? There should be some reason for which we should not use plastic bags, and the answer is that they are non-biodegradable and it takes thousands of years to decompose them, and they collect and remain in the land, which causes land pollution, and they even go into deep inside the water, which causes harm to aquatic animals. So aquatic animals are are in danger because of plastic bags. So we should think over before using a plastic bag. So now I am having some plastic bags here and I will refer this to my friend and I will ask her to use it and tell us the review. So let's go. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine too. So I request you to use this paper bag and give us the review of it.
Okay, I will try it.
It's good. So can you tell us something more about how is it and why we should use it?
It is eco-friendly and it is good for environment also, and we can use it.
Yes, she is right. We can use it instead of plastic bags. So I request you to say no to plastic bags and use paper bags. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Alvira Hayat from class 10th B, and today we're going to be planting a tulsi plant sapling. So this is my mini little garden of plants. So let us go. So here I am planting it, putting it into the soil. The advantage of planting a tulsi plant sapling is that it is used as a medicinal herb and it is used to cure some common diseases like cold, cough, etc. So I advise you to plant more plants and save the environment. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Muskan Devani. I am from Sanatan B. As CBSE have given us the project of environment, so here with I am. First of all, thinking about environment, what comes in our mind? That is tree. Tree is a basic and essential thing for respiration. They gives us oxygen and takes CO2 for photosynthesis. As oxygen is very essential for our body, which breaks down the food and gives us the energy. So to make my house very oxygenated and greenery, I have grown a small and very pretty plant to my house, that is of tulsi and money plant. So my house is very oxygenated. Thank you so much.